In this video, you'll learn how to void a shipping label on eBay. This process ensures that you can cancel a shipping label if it is no longer needed, helping you avoid unnecessary shipping costs. To begin, sign into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the Seller Hub or access the My eBay section. From this point, locate the orders or sold listings page where all your completed transactions are displayed. It is essential to find the specific order linked to the shipping label you intend to cancel. Take a moment to carefully check the order details to confirm that you have selected the correct transaction. This step is crucial because voiding the wrong label may result in shipping delays. When you are certain about the order, proceed to open the shipping label details. After accessing the shipping details, look for the option labeled Void Label or Cancel Shipping Label. This option is typically found within the shipping information section. Click on this label to initiate the void request process. At this stage, eBay may present you with information about the label, including its status, and might prompt you to select a reason for the cancellation. Ensure you choose the most appropriate reason for the void request. It is important to note that the label must not have been used or scanned by the carrier, as labels that have already been scanned usually cannot be voided. Once you've confirmed the void request, eBay will begin processing it and will send the request to the shipping carrier. The refund for the unused label is generally issued back to your original payment method. Keep in mind that the processing time for refunds may vary and can take a few days depending on the policies of the shipping carrier. During this time, you can monitor the status of your request in the shipping labels section on eBay. Before you consider creating a new shipping label, make sure that the label you intended to void is marked as voided. This verification step is essential to ensure that your shipping records remain accurate and that you do not encounter any complications with future shipments. If the label shows as voided, you can confidently proceed with generating a new shipping label as needed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.